Hey everyone, welcome back to At Home with Sonia. I'm Sonia and today I have an exciting video for you, a pantry organization makeover. I will be introducing some new containers, cleaning out the clutter and organizing my spices according to their use. So here's my pantry area and we will be focusing on the two long pantries and a middle drawer in this video. I've got some fantastic new containers to share with you today. These will not only keep my pantry looking sleek, but also make it easier to find everything. I picked these up from HomeSense, and if you didn't know, I am located in Ontario, Canada, and HomeSense is like Home Goods. These were very reasonably priced. The big glass container was $16.99 and the set of 3 containers were $29.99. I'm going to wash these and let the air dry until I'm ready to use them.
There's a storm coming and I need a hand to hold, with the fear of being here on my own, where the wind's blowing and the leaves they turn to gold, like they did with you those summers ago. I can't stop thinking about those years ago, when sleeping next to you was usual. I'd rather spend a lifetime on my own than ever been in love those years ago. But now remembering is all I know.
First things first, I need to clear out the shelves. It's time to take everything out of the pantry and see what we're working with. I'm going to go shelf by shelf and wiping them clean, as well as wiping the shelf liners clean. If you want to see my very first video on how I set all this up last year, I will link it up in the corner for you to see. So let's speed through this process.
There's a storm coming, summer's just around the bend, and my bottle's empty once again, and my feet's burning on the roads we used to walk, where the rivers walked along with us. The storm coming, I am ready for the cold. I'll be better when the summer.
Spices can be a real challenge to keep organized. I have organized the most used spices in these containers with wooden lids that I picked up at Dollarama, and I printed my own labels for them. I have some loose spices that I need to go and place in their appropriate containers before I put these back.
Gone. Now the wind's blowing and I'm right back here again. It might take a while, but I understand that I keep thinking about those years ago, when sleeping next to you was usual. I'd rather spend a lifetime on my own than ever been in love those years ago. I can't stop thinking about those years ago, when sleeping next to you is all I know. Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I?
So all of my spices are sorted based on their use. So the ones that I use the most, then I have other savory ones, and then sweet and baking spices. This is just to save me time and my family's time when we're cooking. The right side of the pantry focuses mainly on cooking and the left side's on baking.
And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one.
So beside the spices, on these few shelves, I do house my pasta as well as rice and quinoa here, and some soup noodles. I am going to be making some of my homemade soup noodles. I usually have my mother-in-law give some to me, but I've decided it's time for me to start making my own. And I also do make a lot of the times when I make dinner, I do make my own pasta, but I like to have pasta on hand for my kids to be able to just make quick lunches for themselves. I know that I can pre-make homemade pasta as well and just keep it in the jars, in the freezer I mean, but I just like to have some on hand.
The best of me. We're a little messed up, baby, kind of up and down, and we keep going till we hit the ground, but then
So I'm sure I mentioned it before, and I will mention it again probably, but eventually I would like to get all the same jars, but the mason jars is what I was using before I switched to the wooden labels, with the glass jars with wooden labels. So over here, all the spices that I have are the ones that I occasionally use, or spice mixes.
we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby. It's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again. You and me. Ooh.
And this middle drawer used for our supplements, and I thought some of these new containers are going to be good to keep our protein powders in. However, I did know that the big one is not going to fit in the middle drawer, so I'm going to keep it in the right pantry on the bottom. The bottom drawer, as you saw it, didn't really have a purpose. I'm also going to clean the middle drawer and just straighten everything out.
You and me. There's no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kind of up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby. It's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again. You and me, baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby. You and me were like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kind of up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kind of up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we
let's move over to the left side of the pantry, and the few top shelves are used for overflow. The top two ones that is an individual door, they're for things that that haven't been opened, and then the top shelf in the pantry part, I have some open items as well as some dog treats. Some of the open bags I can add to their appropriate jars, as the jars were looking a little empty.
I've never felt like this. What are you doing to me? It only took one kiss to know that you're everything I need, everything I need. So tell me now, because I just have to know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run?
Then the next shelf houses most of the breakfast items. I also keep some fishy crackers here that I use for daycare.
Just be wild and free. Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. The way you play with your hair, and now you're always wearing denim. Yeah, everything about you.
And the next shelf is for bread and treats. I don't typically buy too many treats, as I have a hard time controlling myself with those, and my kids don't really need them. My kids are adults now anyways.
Is the reason I can't spend one more day without you. Oh, so tell me, girl, 'cause I really wanna know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run and just be wild and free?
And the last two shelves are primarily for baking and such things. I make my own granola bars, granola, and many other healthy treats, so a lot of the jars are here for that.
Really make you feel like you don't need anyone else, like you don't need anyone else, because all I need is you. Oh, won't you run away with me?
I need this drawer to be simply organized and well labeled because my daughter does do a lot of baking, so I want her to be able to easily access any supplies that she might need, any ingredients that she might need.
I've never felt like this. What are you doing to me? So do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run?
To that large glass jar, that I had purchased, I'm going to add my hard wheat berries. I have just started milling my own flour, so I have gotten some hard and soft wheat berries as well as some kamut berries, and they all need a container to be stored in.
Like you don't need anyone. Do I make you wanna run? Just be wild and free. Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. Oh, all I need is you. Hey.
So I'm quite pleased with everything, how everything turned out. So I'm going to give you a little tour. I know a lot of the stuff was already in place, the organization, but I just needed to straighten it out. So on top shelf, as I said, is an overflow of stuff, but I also moved my vanilla syrup and my honey up there, as well as some jars for overnight oats. Then the other one stayed for breakfast. This is for bread and snacks, like I said, store-bought snacks. And then here is all of my baking supplies type of stuff, and also my things for granola bars and granola, and just really anything, any type of baking is in here. And then on the bottom is all of my flours and my wheat berries. I have, like I said, I have 3 different types of wheat berries. I have whole wheat flour, there's coconut flour, there's semolina flour for pasta, almond flour, like all sorts of different flours are in here. And this is all of my supplements, and then all of my containers. I do follow portion fix, so that's all there. We use these cups quite a bit. Everybody uses them, so sometimes there's not in the drawer. And then moving on to here, I'm going to start at the top. So the very top shelf has my cookbooks, which you'll see at the end. And then here is my jar stuff that I buy. This is pretty much it. I don't buy too much jar stuff. And then my everyday spices are here. Then we've got, like I said, just items that I reach, the spices that I reach to for most. And then here are my pasta, rice, and quinoa. And then over here are other spices, spice mixes, and things like that. Eventually I would like to do all those jars with nice lids, but for now this is it. And then the bottom has the protein powders that did not fit in the middle drawer, and some beans. And there you have it. My pantry organization makeover is complete. I hope this inspires you to tackle your own pantry chaos. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more organization tips, decorating videos, and cleaning motivation. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.